In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook search by rebuilding the index. If your Outlook search isn't returning the right emails or the keywords aren't being highlighted, the search index may be the culprit. Rebuilding it refreshes how Outlook catalogs your mail so results can appear quickly and accurately. I'll guide you through the process and explain what each step does so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Outlook. In the top left corner, click File, then choose Options. This opens a window where you can fine-tune Outlook's behavior. On the left, select the search category. In the search section, click Indexing Options. This takes you to the Windows index settings that Outlook relies on to find content fast. If you're prompted to close the previous window, go ahead and click Done. You'll now see the Indexing Options window. Click Modify and make sure Microsoft Outlook is checked. This confirms that your mail and related data are included in the index. If it's already selected, you're good to go. Next, click Advanced. In the Advanced window, locate the Troubleshooting section and choose Rebuild. A message will let you know that rebuilding can take some time. Read that note so you understand what's happening, then confirm to continue. Rebuilding wipes the existing index and recreates it from scratch, which helps if the index has become outdated or corrupted. The process runs in the background so you can keep working in Outlook, but searches may look incomplete or slower until the rebuild finishes. The duration depends on the size of your mailbox, how many files Outlook is tracking, and your computer's performance. When the indexing completes, click OK to close any prompts. It's a great moment to verify the improvement. Try searching for a word or phrase you know appears in your mailbox. You should see results return more quickly, and matching terms will be highlighted in the message list and the reading pane. That highlight is a strong sign the index is healthy again, and Outlook is scanning the right content. To recap the flow you just followed, you opened File and Options, selected Search, went into Indexing Options, confirmed Microsoft Outlook is included, clicked Advanced, chose Rebuild under Troubleshooting, let the process complete, and then tested your results. If this fixed your Outlook search, let me know in the comments, leave a like, subscribe for more practical tech guides, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching.